This is a Liberty Galati app. Now I'm clicking on it. The first screen, that is the flash screen with the Liberty flame. Now this page will ask for the selection of your preferred language. Now there are two options, English or Romanian. We are selecting English and entering into the app. Now here we can see a cube rotating with 4 faces, and every face is showing certain information. Clicking on the face, you can see the information is getting changed. This catalog, then events, then landmark projects, and at the bottom there would be two buttons, sign in or registered. If somebody is not signed in or registered, they can do it from this button. Now I'm signing in into the app. The first option that need to be selected is the country, and then country code will come and you have to put your mobile number. Now pressing submit button will automatically take the OTP, and it will allow user to enter into the app. This is the main page for the app. We can call it dashboard. You can see 6 options are there: about us, landmark projects, browse products, feedback, my dashboard, and news and events. Now clicking on every button will open up that particular section. This is the Liberty Galati about us section. Landmark projects will give you wholesome idea of their various projects so far. Browse product will take you to main product sections, where clicking on each product tab will open up with two options, brochure or checking capability and inquire. If you click on brochure, it will give option to download the brochure, and then you can go to the RFQ section to make some request, and you can add your request to the list finally for business inquiry. Feedback section will take you to a form where you can give your feedback for this app as well as the whole services from Liberty. My dashboard will take you to the personal dashboard section, where you can check your all commercial documents. For example, you want to check your invoices. The moment you click, you'd show all your invoices directly coming from the customer portal. You can see the details. You can click on the PDF to open it. Then you can go to the dispatch section. Similarly, you can check now. You can again filter it with the company name, then you can sort by invoice number. Chat with us option will take you to chatbot, where a virtual assistant will help to get necessary information. This is the RFQ section. The business inquiry you have made so far, you can have the whole list over there. Finally, the news and event section will show you the latest newses. Now, clicking on the top left icon, it will open with 6 options. Clicking on top left menu will open 6 sub menu like about GFG, brochure, social media, user guide, share this app and log out or login. Now about GFG will take you to gfgalliance.com website. Brochure will take you to Liberty Galati brochure or LSCE brochure. Clicking any of them will open in PDF viewer. Social media will open the social media link like YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. User guide will open this video for you as you are seeing it. Share this app will help user to share from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Log out or login button will help you to log in or log out based on your status at that moment. Now at the bottom you can see 4 options. Home. When you click on home, you will reach to dashboard section. Clicking on profile will take you to your profile page where you can change all your personal information. Contact page will take you to contact section where clicking on the mobile number would take you directly to call area, and email will help you to directly enter into the email client. Notification section will take you to recent notifications you have received. There are 2 color codes like dark and light. So if you tap on it, you can see there are options like whether the notifications you are seeing already you have read it or not. So dark color means they are not read yet, and light color means you have already read them. So you can check and then you can make them mark as read. You can select any notifications, more than one notifications or single one, and then you can delete those notifications by hitting delete button. Now at the bottom you can see the number of unread notification being shown on the circular icon on the top of bell icon. Thank you for watching user guide. We will update this user guide time to time as new features are being updated into the app. Please keep watching. Thanks.